critical crypto update right now. It is 4:15 a.m. Thursday, April 11th. We got some key things happening on the chart. So we're running through the market drivers at the moment. We have the dollar. Yesterday it popped up, big green beanstalk. Right now it's red. Looks like it's starting to come down. But the drivers for the crypto market, the pump dump chart, we're at a key place. I mean, you look at this. We got the support trend line like that. We got the resistance coming down like this. And we got about, look how much room we got. A tiny bit. And if we look at the momentum, we can gauge if we're going to break down or if this is like close to a breakdown, fake out, and then pop up. Let's take a look at the momentum. This is what we've been tracking, folks. This is a one-day chart. We need to see that TSI cross down. Tonight's going to be a critical night as far as 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The daily candle close is going to be very important. It's going to spell out to us how these next weeks and how April into May unfolds. Right now, we're below that zero line. We're in negative bearish territory. Seeing it cross down right below it. That's what you love to see. Because you want to see the chart go down if you want to see crypto go up. And where would we head to if we break down from this support trend line? Well, we'll come to that macro 786, that green one, which is actually coinciding with the bottom of the belly of the beast. We break down below there, we're sending it. And where could we go to? We're going to come down to that trend line support, the one we were hugging all of like February into March. Then we stalled out, went sideways, and I see a continuation lower, which would bring us to the yellow 4236 extension level of the breakdown, coinciding with that trend line. This will bring a massive pump into crypto. And looking at the alt season pulse chart, we're getting hung up at that 77% level, getting rejected on the daily chart. We're sandwiched between the 50-day moving average and the belly of the beast. You take a look at that momentum, same thing here. It's a little behind as far as the pump dump chart. But if we see that pump dump chart go down at the same time as seeing this alt season pulse chart roll over like that right below the zero line, altcoins are going to rally hard. And looking at altcoins, the others market cap on the 4-hour chart, we have a 4-hour prepare to buy soon. We're popped up back above the 4-hour 200 moving average. And if we take a look at the momentum, we're getting close to a cross up right above that zero line. So now let's go to the 12-hour chart. We had the 12-hour buy now signal. Let's go to a daily chart, and now let's check that TSI to see if it's crossing up. And we're close, not quite there yet, but we're above that zero line. So that's why the candle close tonight in about 16 hours from now is going to be key for us to cross up. And looking at the 12-hour chart, we have we're looking like we're going to cross back down. It said nope, it's crossing back up right at that zero line. And this candle closed in 3 hours and 41 minutes. So 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, important candle close for the 12-hour chart. And then 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, important close for the daily candle. And looking at Bitcoin, if we go to it right here, it's at 70,850. We go to that 12-hour chart. Let's check the momentum. Right down here, we had that TSI crossing up, looking like it was going to cross down. It said nope, now we're popping up. We check that daily chart. Let's gauge it. We are crossed as we speak, but we need to wait for that candle close at 8 p.m. New York time. So things are looking spicy right now, especially looking at that convergence of the trend lines. It's saying that, hey, we only have about, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4 days left till this convergence runs out. And we're not going to go right to the pinpoint. It's about to make a decision, especially seeing all the other charts that we're just looking at, the Bitcoin chart, alt season pulse chart, pump dump chart, others market cap chart, all kind of coinciding together at this critical market major move here. So now's the time to pay attention. Things are looking spicy. They're looking spicy. And let me shout out a couple altcoins on my radar. Number one, we got VeChain. Take a look at VeChain on the daily chart with the bonus indicator, Stargate bonus indicator, void lines. Every single time we have the purple into red, this was back, November? Purple into red, the color change here. Bang, big move. And then what? Purple into red, the color change here. What was that? February. Bang, big move. Where are we at? Purple into red, starting to pop up. Now we're in April. What do you think's about to happen? right? Now let's look at Jasmine. That's my second pick. So 2 free picks in this video. So I'm gonna want you to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you're gonna get in on these or if you're already in on them. But this is a weekly chart for Jasmine. We're breaking past these highs here that we had set back in, I think it was late February. Looks like Jasmine's gonna pull on a nice move. Could be an 80% gain out of Jasmine in short order. So keep those 2 altcoins on your radar. For the Stargate VIPs who have the market drivers template, take a look at that pump dump chart, draw those trend lines, watch for that momentum. You know what to watch. And watch the alt season pulse chart, Bitcoin, others, watch those drivers, because that's what's going to tell us what's going to happen next year. So I'll be in Greece City in the Discord for the Stargate VIPs. If you're not in the Discord for everybody else, come join. I'll put the link in the bio. That's the market update for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.